to compromise. And you can tell me if I mean it looking in my eyes, cause I've been waiting for my moment to strike. So come close, let me show you what it's like. Yeah, you can try to stand in my path, but you're gonna regret it. I'll be the one who laughs while I'm making my exit, cause this is only for the soul of art, not if you get it. And no matter what the outcome, you better accept it. I can cut like the shell, I can bury the flag, so don't doubt for a second, just get out of my way. Cause you're standing still, I'm not letting it go. So take this as a lesson, cause it's all that we know. Will the whole world know your name? When we dance with dust I've been there and I've seen it. I'm never gonna stop believing. You'll find your flame.
Oye amigo, soy un cabrón de mierda.
It's like I'm seeing double vision. Take a seat, I'm on a mission. We got everything to gain. To become everything you're not. You just give it all you got and take the pleasure with the I can feel my fire awaken. No time for being complacent. There's a dream on the horizon. You know we gotta chase it. And when we get to where we're going, then we start the invasion. That's me? Nah, you must be mistaken. You know I'll turn you into rust, grind you right down to dust. You thought you were the best, well, you haven't met us. Fire and rain, call me the hurricane.
Una palabra, deja la hora.
Will the whole world know your name? When we
Deja la hora.
with destiny. I've been there and I've seen it. I'm never gonna stop believing. You'll find your flame. Now it's the end of the show. Hear them, they're calling your name. Cause in the end, it's you and your
Silence!